Hi, good day. My name is Kenny Villayona. I'm a proud graduate of State University of Northern Negros with a bachelor degree of Information Technology. I pride myself of being collaborative, detail-oriented, resourceful, and flexible to adapting to various roles. Currently, I am a scholar in Uletsi in Bacolod City, where I honing my skills through an intensive software development training program. This experience sharpening my abilities and preparing me for aerodynamic challenges in UI UX design. I am genuinely excited to apply in UI UX design role and looking forward for the opportunities to bring my enthusiasm and skills to your team. Thank you so much for considering my application. Looking forward for your positive feedback. Keep safe and God bless. Hi, good day. My name is Kenny Villayona.